Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Banking and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to activate your Indigo Mastercard online. So let's get started right away. First of all, just open up your web browser and then in the address bar, type in indigo.myfinanceservice.com/activate. Then press enter and this will take you into the login page for Indigo Mastercard. Now, if you haven't signed up already, just click on Register your account to sign up for Indigo Mastercard. If you already have an account, just type in your username followed by your password and click on the Login button to continue logging in to your account before activating your card. In order to activate your card, scroll down and click on Register your account. Now select whether you have a card number or whether you do not. After selecting your option, just enter your credentials that you are asked. Enter your last name, your zip code, followed by your date of birth and your social security number. Then click on Continue to Next Step, and then you will be able to activate your Indigo Mastercard. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to activate your Mastercard with Indigo. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.